Hi friends of Cloudways, I'm Gabriel from Incluyeme in Argentina, and we just received this package and I'm going to unbox it. So far, big box. Whoa. Oh. We are having a t-shirt, some stickers. Whoa. A book, Growing Pains, seems that they know it. The startup way. Wow. A notebook, and here more stickers as well. So I want to thank you a lot for this gift, and it's a really pleasure to be part of Cloudways, and with vendors like you, you're really helping us to take Incluyeme to the next level. So thank you a lot. Bye bye.